Welcome back, everyone, and happy holidays! Today we are making a holiday classic, sweet potato pie with a pecan streusel topping. So let's get started! Mash up 400 grams of roasted sweet potato until smooth. I roasted the potatoes at 425 degrees for about an hour. You can also use canned sweet potato puree. Mix in 165 grams of light brown sugar, 100 grams of whole eggs, and 113 grams of melted and cooled unsalted butter. Once it is well combined, mix in 2.5 grams of cinnamon, 0.5 grams of nutmeg, 0.5 grams of ginger, 1 gram of salt, 6 grams of vanilla extract, and 143 grams of evaporated milk. Mix until well combined. Pour batter into a raw 9-inch pie shell and set aside. For pie dough tutorial, link is in the description box below. You can also use store-bought pie dough. Preheat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. For the streusel topping, mix together 75 grams of light brown sugar with 21 grams of all-purpose flour and 21 grams of cold cubed unsalted butter. Mix until you have a coarse, sandy texture. Then mix in 75 grams of chopped pecans. Sprinkle streusel to cover the top of the pie. Bake at 425 degrees for 15 minutes, then lower the temp to 350 degrees and bake for another 35 to 40 minutes. The pie will puff up during baking and deflate as it cools. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like, subscribe, and bell buttons to support our channel. Allow pie to cool and set completely before serving. Creamy, smooth sweet potato pie with a crunchy streusel topping and savory flaky pie crust. Can't get any better than that. Life is uncertain, eat dessert first. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!